Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to learn how to reset location and privacy on your iPhone and iPad. Managing your location and privacy settings is essential to maintaining control over your personal data on your iPhone or iPad. So, if you have granted too many permissions to apps or simply want a fresh start, resetting these settings is the perfect solution. That said, let's get started. So, first up, you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. And then you have to scroll down a bit and choose the General option. And then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and select Transfer or Reset iPhone or iPad. And then you have to tap on the Reset option. And now a pop-up menu will appear with multiple options. You have to select the Reset Location and Privacy option and then confirm it by entering your device passcode. And that's about it. Once reset, all apps will lose access to features like location, camera, and microphone until you explicitly allow them again. This is particularly useful for troubleshooting or regaining control over which apps can access sensitive data. Now, don't worry, your personal files and other settings will remain untouched. After resetting, take a moment to review your location services settings by going to the Settings app and then selecting Privacy and Security. After that, select Location Services. Here you can customize app-specific permissions to fit your preferences. And that's about it. By resetting location and privacy settings, you make sure your device operates exactly how you want it to. It's a simple step that gives you full control over your data privacy and security. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it, and do subscribe for more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Now I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.